boys and girls. Well, today we are starting Unit 5, Phonics and Word Study for Innovation in a Changing World. So, you are going to need to dig out that word study book that looks like this, Volume 1. You will need a pencil and you will need a highlighter. Now, you might have to pause to dig deep to find your word study book. So go ahead and do that now. All right, today our lesson is on noun suffixes. So you've got ology, ant, or, airy. We're going to read and spell words with these noun suffixes. So our verbs here are act, build, assist, brave. Our nouns are actor, so we added an OR to that. When I add the suffix OR to make the word actor, the base word changes from a verb to a noun. Builder and assistant, the OR, ER, and ANT means a person who. So builder, a person who builds. Assistant, a person who assists. Then we've got bravery with the ERY. ERY means condition of. So it is added to the adjective or describing word brave to make a noun. So it's the condition of being brave. Bravery is the condition of being brave. Then we've got the OGY at the end. So the noun suffix ology means the study of. So the root bio means life. So biology is the study of living things. So each of these words contains a suffix or word ending that forms a noun. These suffixes are sometimes added to verbs and adjectives to form nouns. All right, you need a writing notebook. So make sure you grab your writing notebook. I should have told you that to begin with, I'm sorry. We're going to do spelling sound correspondences. So what I want you to do is take the words in the box and I'll read them. We've got visitor, participant, technology, discovery, researcher, bakery, geology, senator. And I want you to put them on in your writer's notebook, in your writing notebook, put them in the correct category. So you'll want to just quickly draw out the chart and then practice writing each word under each column that it goes in. So if you need to pause, go ahead and do that now. All right, welcome back. Let's take visitor. It has OR at the end. Then we've got participant. Technology, we've got the ology. Discovery, the ERY, which the root word would be discover. Researcher, bakery, geology, and senator. How many of you got those right? Of course. Good job. Okay. So, if you turn to in your book, My Word Study, page 38, here's what we're going to do. We're going to chorally read the top half or the bottom half. I'm going to actually do both today, and you can read along with me. Okay? And while we read, or after we read, actually, I want you to do it afterwards. After we read, you're going to underline the noun suffix in each word. Okay? And then, at a later time, I'm going to put you in breakout rooms with a partner, and then you will be able to read these words with your breakout room partner. Okay? So, page 38. Go ahead and turn to that. All right, and I'm going to start at the top. Okay, so, ready? Here we go. Oh, and we will read left to right. I'm going to read left to right. So, here we go. Everybody ready to read? Teacher, lawyer, reader, caller, believer, actor, doctor, major, sailor, editor, bakery, pottery, surgery, gallery, battery, servant, immigrant, assistant, attendant, collector, biology, apology, geology, ecology, anthology, immigrant, teacher, bakery, actor, servant, assistant, lawyer, pottery, doctor, biology, attendant, reader, surgery, major, apology, collector, caller, gallery, sailor, geology, anthology, believer, battery, editor, ecology. All right, now let's do the bottom half. Ready? Listener, skyscraper, foreigner, treasurer, advertiser, investigator, senator, inventor, narrator, supervisor, misery, machinery, bribery, scenery, mockery, participant, tenant, competitor, escalator, vendor, technology, zoology, psychology, archaeology, meteorology, advertiser, participant, misery, investigator, listener, supervisor, tenant, machinery, senator, skyscraper, mockery, competitor, bribery, inventor, foreigner, vendor, escalator, scenery, narrator, treasurer, meteorology, archaeology, psychology, zoology, technology. There we go. So we will plan on meeting with partners and you'll be able to time each other. All right, that's it for today.